Hello guys, Yash Mehta here. So as we all know that legendary investor Sir Warren Buffett has always said that be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. So what this quote means is just when everyone is bearish on the market, you should start buying stocks, and when there is too much optimism in the market, then at that time you should sell your position. As you all, so I have updated that I have bought Is My Trip in May month last around 130 days back, and as you can see, I have booked around 100% profit in this in just 30 days. So just right now, go back to 30 days around in May month, and just remember the situation what was there. So as we can see, there were restrictions, there were lockdowns, government were restricting because of the pandemic, everything, and possibly the business tourism sector was very much negative. People were bearish on this sector. At this time, I have decided to buy Is My Trip based on the technical analysis, and also the fundamental of this company is good. And as you can see, the average buying was around 188 rupees, and the current price is around 380, which is almost 100%, 105% profit in 30 days. So I will tell I will tell in this video what was the reason why I have bought this stock last month, and what was the purpose behind it. So let's check. So before going to the logic, so you can like and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos in the future. It will definitely help us to get motivated to create more videos like this. So let's start with the Is My Trip analysis. So I will so as you can see, there are already lines on this chart. I will remove all the lines now. So as you can see, this thing. So there was this resistance particular level, which Is My Trip was facing for a long time, for around 1 month, and it was not able to cross this level. But during when it was in this resistance particular range, so at that time it was forming lower highs, lower lows. So as you can see, the first low is at this level, second low at this level, third low at this level. So as you can see, when it was trading in this resistance range, it was forming lower lows. So which indicate that this particular stock was having strength. And apart from this, it was trading near this particular resistance level for a long time. So as you can see, there are around 10 candles around this particular resistance range, and it was not able to cross this particular line. It had attempted to break this resistance here, but still it was not able to do it. So this indicates that stock has a strength, and it will definitely go above this particular level. But no one can be sure on this, so one has to keep stop loss in mind also. So I started accumulating this particular stock at this particular level. I started my accumulation in this particular range. So my average was around 187, as you can 188. So I started accumulating on this particular days when it was trading this near this particular resistance, and the day it lasted here, and it started its upward journey. So initially I had a target in mind. So I will show what was my target first, target, second target, everything. So so first target after this breakout was this particular. I have calculated from this particular range calculation. So when it was facing the resistance at this level, the high it had made was at this level. The low it had made was this particular range, this particular low, and I will add about this resistance line. And as you can see, it had achieved my target in just 2 3 days after breakout. But then I decided to hold this position because the stock was in momentum and we had bought at lower levels. So let's say I had around 100 stocks in this. So I have offloaded around 20%, 20% of the stocks at this particular target, and then I decided to hold this particular stock for a higher time. The reason for this is so as you can see, this is the all-time high for this particular stock before this candle. So I was expecting to it to at least reach at this level, but but it gave a breakout about this particular level also on the same, but on the same week. And then I have calculated another target for this after this breakout, which was from the range calculation again. So this high, this low, I will add above this particular level, and I will be getting a target of 307 in this. So after selling around 20% stake in this at around 234 levels, so then I had a few more. I have exited around 20% more shares at this 307 level. And after this, I thought to let already I'm having shares for free, so I tried to I then decided to ride this particular stock with the trailing stop loss that I had. And then currently also I have position in this, and I have those shares are for free now after selling some percentage of holdings that I already have. And apart from this, some of the friends and clients also have position in this, so they have big position. So with this, so this is just a technical aspect of the stock. So let's take the financial fundamental of the company. So this is a IPO, new IPO this year, and as you can see, I will be. So the company is debt free. There is no borrowings on the company. The reserves is increasing. The company had turned profitable in the year 2020, so FY20. Apart from this, the promoter is having 74.9% stake in this company. So this is a positive about the company. That's why the fundamental is also clear. Technical, we got entry in May month when everyone was bearish on this particular sector, particularly tourism, because of the restriction and everything. That's why we decided to buy this, and this was basically a contract trade for us. And we took it with the stop loss of around 160 at that time. So this was a stop loss. This particular low was a stop loss. So our entry was at 187. Our stop loss was at 160, and our average selling now the current price is 370. So the risk was just around 20 rupees. I would 27 to 30 rupees, and the reward that we have got is, you can see here, around 200 points in this, which is 1:8 risk reward for a positional trader, and getting 100% return in this particular share. And we were lucky to get 100% return in this particular share in just 1 month. So this is all about the analysis for the Is My Trip. If you want more updates on any stock, or so you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. So these are the links for our Twitter and the Telegram channel. There is a disclaimer also. Already I had position, but that is not much. So I have sold few shares already, and those are free of cost for me. So this video is not for any buy or sell recommendation on this particular stock. So consult your financial advisor also before taking any trades based on the analysis shared in this video. So thank you guys.